The Project Killswitch Travel Case for the SteamDeck by dbrand. Is it worth the price of admission? This arrived in the mail. It is from a company called dbrand. I ordered the Project Killswitch before I actually ordered my Steam Deck, and well, you know, these things work out as they do. Came later, and I bought another case because, well, I needed a case for the Steam Deck because I'm accident prone. And immediately, I really like how dbrand packages their packaging. Everything I think I feel like is a joke. Like, you know, like even like the printing on this. How much time was spent on this? I have no idea. And will I read this entire thing? No, because my kids already got to this and it's kind of a mess. But you know, little things like this, that, you know, reading dbrand's fine print is kind of like joining a secret club. One that entitles you to learn all of the most legally questionable aspects of our business. Creative accounting tricks, plans to destroy the sun, horrific industrial accidents that have claimed the lives of countless scientists. Kind of funny. Anyway, so already my kids got to it. Not much of a surprise there. But here is the case for Project Killswitch for the Steam Deck. As you can see, it looks like a Steam Deck. So even the time and attention that went into just this packaging is pretty astounding. That there was some serious CAD time involved just in this. So like the way the thing hinges is really nice. So yeah, the Killswitch Travel Kit. So inside, here's the case. But before we get there, I did get the vinyl stickers to put on to customize my Steam Deck a little bit. Nice little I don't know, microfiber cloth. But I kind of wonder about this. Makes me think. It reminds me of something. I wonder if this will fit in here. Well, not quite. Could have, maybe. Will it fit that way? Yeah, just about. I don't want to squeeze this thing. It's kind of looked... I don't know. I don't think it was done on purpose like that. But still, it made me think. Could it hold a 5 1/4? Alright, well, on to the main course. Here is the case. Definitely quite robust. See how it protects these buttons here. Not those, but it's probably not quite as critical. This is removable. That's kind of cool. Take that off. Got some binary, probably more funny messages, I'm guessing. I just want to see this. Look at that. Pretty nice. Quite a lot of engineering that went into this box. I would be curious to know just the number of hours spent engineering this box. Okay, so now see how this thing actually fits in a Steam Deck. Here's a Steam Deck with the... Oh, look at that, I already got fingerprints on it. Here is the Steam Deck with now with the screen protector on there, so it's a little more reflective. But the JSOX case, which is also a very nice case. That doesn't feel quite as sturdy as this. Well, as that. Just gonna go ahead and remove this and put it in this case. It's a very very custom fit. Custom, I mean tight. Probably doing it wrong. There we go, it fits. Now I'm kind of curious. Will it fit in the dock station? My guess is no. Oh, but wait. Sort of fits in if I take the kickstand off. It's not a bad fit. It's not a great fit. But it definitely fits. So maybe just gotta turn it up a little bit and then dock it. Or take it off. Will this fit in here? It feels like it fits. Yeah. Might be a keeper. Well, I'm back and forth on whether or not I want to zip this up in, I'll put this in the original case or not. Because the whole idea behind this is I can snap this on and go, which is, I'm not going to test and see how drop resistant this is. You can do that with your SteamDeck. Protects these nicely. These are not protected. Well, I don't see a whole lot of worry of impact there. So this is obviously not a waterproof, water-resistant case for it. But if you can take this on the go and stick it in your bag, it'll take up less space. And hopefully the bag itself is waterproof. I do like that. It's nice. And it will work with the dock if you take that off. Okay, well, now I think it's time to put on some deck molds or decals. Take the case off. Maybe I should have done that first. Do want to clean this first. Make sure there's nothing snotty on there. I have been letting the little crumb snatchers play this, so I want to make sure it's good and clean. So which side first? So these are vinyl stickers. Can't say exactly what the quality level is on this. Now, truthfully, if they had a Commodore 64 beige option, I would have gone with that instead. But, you know. Okay, there we go. So that's going to require a little bit of heat, I think. Before I do that, I'll go ahead and do the other side. I certainly do not have the steadiest of hands. Now for a little bit of heat. I don't know how much heat I need for this exactly, but I'm sure it's already too high. Okay. I don't know how to apply vinyl without the assistance of heat, but if you do, then this might be even better for you. Yeah, there we go. Now I'm going to put it back in the Killswitch case. I think that's where it's going to stay for now. I do want to emphasize, though, no regrets on the JSOX case. This is a fine shell, protective shell. Looks like it's really dirty on the inside here. For the SteamDeck. I do like how much thicker this one is instead, though. Look at that. I like it. Now it's a little more personalized. Although I still think it would look better in Commodore 64 beige. The Project Killswitch Travel Case cost me a total of $74.90. The packaging is fantastic and well thought out. Just by looking at the humor baked into the packaging, there's obviously a lot of character at the core of the company. The box is well engineered, which is indicative of a well engineered product. The inclusion of the vinyl stickers is great for that touch of personalization, but there wasn't anything for that child of the 80s, or rather me. I would have just wanted a solid Commodore 64 beige color instead, but the kids seem to like the digital pattern. The case itself is nicely done, with excellent attention to detail. The removable kickstand allows me to easily slot this into my dock station. The convenience of popping on the hard shell and ever so gently tossing it into my bag is much more convenient than a zip-up case, but you do lose that weather resistance that the rigid zip-up case provides. Overall, I think this case is worth the price, albeit probably just a bit on the pricey side. I think somewhere around $50 or $60 would be a better value. I do want to emphasize that there's an abundance of evidence that there was an extensive amount of time with engineering the travel case along with the care that went into the box itself. The cost of the tooling for the case as well as the box is no small investment. The $75 price tag is probably quite fair. If the case holds up for the next 5 years or so, I'll be very happy. As it stands today, I have no buyer's remorse. So what to do with that JSOX protective shell? I guess I'll have to get another SteamDeck to put in it. Thanks for watching, and until next time, see yas!